Zerodha had higher users in both year in 2020 and 2021. The client of Zerodha is still ahead in this race. It is said to be that the market share of discount broker in terms of DEMAT account would jump to 58% by 2025 from 14.6% in 2019. The total number of retail investors. Stockbroker is a person, brokerage firm, and an institute who has the authority of buying and selling shares, stocks, and any other financial securities on behalf of investors. Stockbroker act as a middleman or an agent between our and stock exchanges. We can't trade directly with BSC or NFC. That's why we need of stockbrokers. Example of some stockbrokers are ICICI Direct, Groww, Zerodha, and Upstox. Over the past few years, the procedure of investing has changed a lot. Now, it is not as difficult as it used to be. Problems related to traditional method of investing: higher charges, misrepresentation, lying, fraud, misleading, lack of transparency, complicated process. In order to mitigate all these problems, two types of stockbroker came into existence. First one is full service stockbroker. These are traditional broker. They offer a full package of services such as stock trading, research, advisory, local support, and wealth management. Hence, they charge higher fees. Examples: ICICI Direct, Fairkhan, and HDFC Securities. Second one is discounted stockbroker. This type of stockbroker provide an online trading platform to their clients for investing. They don't offer advisory services. Investors have to take their own investment decisions by themselves. Zerodha, Upstox, and Groww are examples of discounted stockbrokers. There are a lot of reasons that discounted stockbroker got popularity among youth over full service stockbroker. It could be possible because of internet penetration, epidemic, technology development, and of course, growing financially literacy ratio. Discounted stockbroker are major part of our video, which I would discuss in further video. There are 4,681 registered stockbrokers with SEBI in equity segment. Zerodha, Upstox, and Groww have already taken place in the list of unicorn. Let's try to figure out which is the best fintech startup. Zerodha had higher users in both year in 2020 and 2021. The client of Zerodha increased from roughly 3 million to 5 million within 1 year. Likewise, Upstox maintained the title of second position in last 2 previous years, whilst Groww shifted from 7th position to 3rd position in terms of user growth in 2021, which is admirable. The chart depicts, which is flashing on your screen, that the number of users rose drastically, but Zerodha is still ahead in this race. It is said to be that the market share of discount broker in terms of DEMAT account would jump to 58% by 2025 from 14.6% in 2019. The total number of retail investors increased by 14.2 million in 2021. As a result, Indian stock market is dominated by retail investors. The NSE alone experienced growth of retail investors from 33% to 45% in consecutive years. Interestingly, the month of January 2021 alone contributed to around 1.7 million new DEMAT accounts. Now, India has total 51.5 million DEMAT accounts, whereas Maharashtra stood at first position, followed by Gujarat in case of DEMAT accounts record in the chart. If we compare India people's involvement in stock market with other nations, India has the least ratio of traders. That's proof there are a lot of opportunities in this sector. Have you ever noticed whenever we search about discounted stockbroker, after a few days or hours, there are chunk of ads pop up in front of us, as these days major objective of ads are to persuade people for buying products regardless of products consequences. But in case of Zerodha, it's reverse. Zerodha CEO has believed in words to mouth publicity. It can be negative or positive, but it has many pros for us. When companies rely on word to mouth publicity, they try to provide best services to their customers in comparison of their peers. Companies try to satisfy their clients so that customers could share their amazing experience with their friends, family members, and with colleagues. As a consequence, all of them will tend to use the same product. To be honest, I like this kind of marketing. Due to word to mouth publicity, companies' focus have shifted from ads to providing quality experience to their subscribers. Services. You can trade in equity, commodity, futures, options, currency, mutual funds, and you can also apply for IPO when you are investing through Zerodha or Upstox. While Groww only allow investing in equity, mutual funds, and IPO. Brokerage pattern. Zerodha charge 200, 400, and 300 for online DEMAT account, offline DEMAT account, and for AMC, annual maintenance charges respectively. However, Upstox and Groww charge zero brokerage fees for the same services. Other brokerage charges for equity delivery means for investing in equity for long term, Zerodha charge 0, Upstox 20 rupees or 2.5%, whichever is lower. Groww charge 0.0% or 20 rupees, same whichever is lower. Mutual funds are absolutely free in Zerodha and Upstox. You can also apply for IPO at zero commission with Upstox. Even Zerodha or Upstox, unlike Groww, provide 3-in-1 account facilities. Neither Zerodha, Upstox, Groww provide research reports. There are a lot of charges on different transactions, which you can see on screen. I can't discuss each because video can be long and we all hate long videos. So you can take screenshot and then compare pair later. Zerodha has its own trading software as compared to Upstox or Groww, such as Zerodha Kite is a web or mobile trading app. Coin is a mutual fund investment platform. Society is investors' education program, trading questions and answers in order to solve problems of investors. Small case thematic investment platform, streak algorithm and strategic platform, sensible options trading platform, and last one, golden pie bonds trading platform. All of these software play a significant role in the success of Zerodha. Zerodha provides 5-star services to their customers with the help of this software. Zerodha educates about stock market, try to solve problems related to share market, and provide different platforms for different purposes. Whereas Upstox or Groww allow investing only by web, Android, or iOS app. To be concluded, it seems to me that Zerodha is far ahead in the competition of becoming #1 trading app. Zerodha is debt-free and profitable unicorn. Zerodha doesn't offer margin funding. Its brokerage charges make it most popular among investors as compared to their peers. Marketing strategy of Zerodha compel it for standing at first position with higher user title, and of course its trading software seems like cherry on the cake. Before finishing video, I have a humble request to you. Before you check that Stockbroker is registered with SEBI or not, then discuss it with your friends, family members, or with your colleagues, whoever invests through these platforms. Please make sure that you are not trusting anyone blindly, as it's your money and loss would be your as well. Thanks a lot for watching.